Imagine for a moment that you wake up tomorrow and your bank account contains €1,000,000. Would you be happy forever? You might think, of course. But surprisingly, science tells us otherwise. Money can buy comfort, it can give us security, but it doesn't guarantee eternal happiness. This is the heart of what is known as happiness economics, a field of study that attempts to answer a question as old as humanity. What factors truly make us happy beyond money? Act 1. Money and the limits of happiness. In 2010, Nobel Prize-winning economists Daniel Kahneman and Angus Deaton conducted a study in the United States. They discovered something surprising. Income does increase happiness, but only up to a point. That threshold was $75,000 a year, about €70,000 today. Below that figure, more income means less stress and more peace of mind. But above that, the curve flattens. Money stops having the same emotional impact. The reason? Once our basic needs and a little more are met, what we seek can no longer be bought with money. Act 2. What money can't buy, and what is it that we are looking for? Science and psychology agree. It's about human relationships. A Harvard study that has followed generations of people for over 80 years concluded that what most influences our happiness is not our salary, our house, or our car, but the quality of our relationships. Friendship, love, community, family. These deep connections are what make us feel fulfilled. Think about it. What's the point of dining at the most expensive restaurant if you're doing it alone? Third act. Time as invisible wealth. Another crucial factor is time. We live in a society where we work endless hours to earn more. But at the same time, we say we don't have time for what's important. Playing with our children, learning something new, traveling, or simply relaxing. A key concept here is quality time. No matter how much money you have, if you don't have free time to enjoy it, happiness slips away like sand through your fingers. Fourth act, purpose and meaning. The economics of happiness also tells us something deeper. Purpose. Having a purpose, a reason to get up every day, a job that you feel adds value, a personal project, a creative hobby, helping others. People who feel that their lives have meaning tend to report much higher levels of happiness than those who live only to accumulate material things. Fifth act, health as the basis of everything. What good is wealth if we don't have the health to enjoy it? The science is clear. Physical and mental well-being are absolute determinants of our perception of happiness. Regular exercise, good nutrition, rest, and emotional balance. And the funny thing is that these factors don't require being a millionaire. Walking outdoors, sleeping well, spending time with friends. All of this is within reach of most people. Sixth act, beyond the individual. Happiness and society. The economics of happiness also examines the environment we live in. Some countries, instead of just measuring GDP, now measure the Gross National Happiness Index. Bhutan was a pioneer in this. It preferred to ask, are our people satisfied? Do they have a community, a culture, a nature? Today, Finland, Denmark, and other Nordic countries lead the happiness rankings. They aren't the richest, but they do best balance work, leisure time, security, and community. Seventh act, final reflection. So in the end, the economics of happiness teaches us that money matters, but it isn't everything. What truly fulfills us is found in the everyday. Laughter with a friend, time for yourself, a quiet walk, a life with purpose. The next time you think, I'll be happy when I have more money, remember that maybe what you need isn't in the bank, but in how you live and who you spend your time with. Tell me in the comments, what contributes most to your happiness today? Money, time, or the people around you? Subscribe for more stories that will change the way you think about finances.